faculty, family, and friends. I'm here to try and make light of the mix of emotions that many of you are feeling right now, though I know my attempts will be in vain. Students, you'll both be happy and sad at the thought that you'll be moving on, but also leaving many behind. Parents, you're going to be unbelievably sad at the thought that your young boys have become adults and will no longer be dependent on you, or so they think. And teachers, you're going to be extremely happy, because either you're proud of your pupils, or you're just glad they're no longer your problem. Say what you will about the last 4 years, but all of it boils down to 2,102,400 minutes. Now, for those of you who don't want to bother to go through the math, and I'm pretty sure a lot of us don't want to do that anymore, that's the number of minutes in 4 years. Being that there are 60 minutes in an hour, 24 hours in a day, and 365 days in a year, it's easy to see how quickly the minutes can stack up into the millions. However, in the moment, each minute has its own identity. Minutes can feel as quick as seconds, like when you're on Kairos or you're at lunch. Or minutes can feel as long as hours, like when you're in calculus class. Now parents, you're probably asking yourself right now what I'm trying to get at, because I'm just talking about minutes. Classmates, it probably hasn't even hit you yet, but these are in fact some of the last moments we have together. And teachers, you've been here before. You're probably hoping I can just keep this speech under 5 minutes. Over the past 4 years of our lives, we've all had thousands of minutes we can't currently recollect or account for. But we've also had minutes that are permanently ingrained on our minds. We've had minutes of angst and excitement. We've had some minutes of complete happiness and some of terrible sadness. We've had angry minutes where we wanted to punch our teachers in the face. And caring moments when we wanted to hug our teachers for when they pushed homework back. We spent 5 minutes every day in between classes in which we shared petty moments with each other. Classmates we might not see for the next 2 million minutes. We lived our educational lives in periods of 90 minutes, some of which were spent in complete silence. You're even using some of these precious minutes to listen to me ramble on about the amalgamation of 60 seconds that is 1 minute. We've experienced football state championships, baseball state championships, and heck, even a golf state championship. Some of us have gone to different continents together, and most of us have traveled to the Kenwood Chipotle together after school. Through the blood drive, some of us have given blood. Through the canned food drive, some of us have given food. And through just about anything Mueller does, all of us have given money. It's hard to believe that these jam-packed 4 years make a puzzle composed of millions of minutes. It's amazing how all these minutes can turn an 8th grader imagining the times he will have at Mueller into the senior that reminisces on the times he did have at Mueller. In 4 short years, eager freshmen taking the buses or getting dropped off by their parents become the angry seniors yelling at the new freshmen, whose parents are blocking the parking lot's exits. Because the seniors have somehow become experts on the ebbs and flows of Mueller's parking lot. These same seniors sitting here will be the lawyers, soldiers, doctors, accountants, professional athletes, politicians, and businessmen that run into each other at the airport or at their kids' soccer game and instantly share laughs and memories with each other. It's weird to think that a common 4 years can produce so many different people. It's even weirder to think that so many different people will go the rest of their lives linked by these common 2 million minutes. Every one of you after this ceremony should go out and hug your parents and thank them, because the priceless minutes given to you by Mueller did not come without a cost. Your parents have sacrificed a lot to ensure that the last 2 million minutes of your life were some of the best. Simple minutes like these, minutes that you don't cherish until your time is done, are the reason why Mueller is such a special place. Some of us won't realize how valuable these minutes are until our own kids have minutes to keep. Some of us have more minutes than others, some of us have minutes they share with others, and all of us have minutes we wish we could share with others. All in all, the last 4 years make up about 5% of our entire life, but it's 5% you'll always wish you could have back. I'm going to miss the proms, the homecomings, the sporting events, the Crusader games. An embarrassingly comic tear will roll down my face when I no longer get to hear about the freshman cafeteria mixer every year. I'm going to miss watching my classmates play my teachers in basketball every year. I'm going to miss the ability to have a personal relationship with the faculty of Mueller, an ability many of us will not have next year in college. Moeller gave us the opportunity to do what we wanted with ourselves. Moeller gave us the freedom to win awards in art, drama, or music, or dedicate a majority of our time to community service, or spend our weekends on a field or on a court. Moeller was a place where many of us met some of our best friends. So to Moeller, thanks for facilitating the past 4 years of our lives and providing us with memories we'll never forget. To our parents, thank you for the support and sacrifice of sending your sons here. Not only do they benefit from their time at Moeller, but their time at Moeller benefits everyone else as well. And finally, to my fellow classmates, thank you for some of the best years of my life, and thank you for allowing Moeller to far exceed any expectations I could have had. I hope all of you feel the same way, because after I finish speaking, and this is all said and done, and we're out in the parking lot smoking cigars, or wondering what we're going to do with the rest of our summer, we still might have 10 minutes here before it's all over. So before our final 10 minutes together are up, I ask you to look around amongst your peers, because these are the faces you'll remember for the rest of your life.